So I was reading the last lecture and the author talks about a lady who was in severe debt. In order to escape the anxiety, she would go to a yoga center, and this was the only place that gave her some freedom from the constant nag of the debt. But the author one day decided to tell her the honest truth. He told her to work every Tuesday and pay off the debt instead of trying to run away from the problem. This is the classic case of treating the symptoms and not the disease. The disease is the debt here, and the symptoms was the anxiety and depression. So always treat your disease, not your symptoms. Then you can breathe easily. Subscribe for more such content. Thank you.